In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a list into a sprint in ClickUp. If you're organizing your work in lists and you're ready to start planning in timed iterations, this walkthrough will help you go from a regular list to a sprint without missing a beat. First, open the list. You want to turn into a sprint. Navigate through your workspace by going to the space, then the folder, and finally, the list. Before you move on, do a quick sanity check. Make sure the tasks you want included are already in that list and that any fields you rely on, like assignees, estimates, or priorities, are set. This ensures the sprint will reflect the work you actually intend to track. Next, open the list menu. At the top of the page, next to the list name, click the three dots. This menu is where ClickUp keeps most list-level actions, and it's exactly where the sprint option lives. From that drop-down, choose Convert to Sprint. If you don't see this option, you might not have the right permissions, or your workspace may not have sprints enabled. In that case, check with your workspace admin. Otherwise, keep going. Now it's time to configure the sprint options. Give your sprint a clear name. A consistent naming convention helps a lot later in reporting. For example, you can use something like Sprint 1 or Sprint 1 Index if your team uses automatic indexing. For duration, you can select the default, which is typically 2 weeks in many setups, or choose a custom duration. If you go custom, set a start date and an end date that match your team's cadence. Be mindful of your working days and holidays so your time frame aligns with when your team actually works. Clear dates help your burn down and velocity charts stay accurate. When everything looks good, click Convert or Apply. The list is now a sprint, and you'll see it appear in your sprint view. Your tasks remain intact, and the sprint framework is now wrapped around them, enabling time box tracking and reporting. To begin tracking, open the sprint view and click Start Sprint. From this point, any progress on tasks in the sprint will be reflected in your sprint dashboards and charts. Keep using your normal workflows, updating statuses, logging time, and closing tasks, and the sprint will capture it all. And that's how you convert a list into a sprint in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.